Microsoft 365. What is Microsoft 365 used for? Microsoft 365 is the performance cloud made to help you pursue your interest and run your business. Greater than just apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, as well as Microsoft 365 combines best-in-class performance apps with effective cloud services, gadget administration, and advanced protection in one connected experience. Microsoft 365 offers unique enhancements to its traditional workplace apps along with access to more programs, like OneDrive. Benefits of Office 365. Accessibility, documents anywhere, improved interaction, secure cloud storage, organization continuity, foreseeable spend, centralized collaboration, automatic upgrades. About Microsoft certification. By making a Microsoft 365 certification, pupils can learn just how to develop much better and a lot more expert files, charts, or presentations. While it's appealing to the eye to have professional-looking files, it can aid win business, also. Despite having all the appropriate factors and also numbers in an amateur-looking deck, it can be tough to get a new organization. The average computer user recognizes their way around vital Microsoft features. Having more comprehensive expertise of Microsoft certification can aid advance a pupil's profession and provide skills to finish more usual tasks quicker and extra accurately. When you pass a Microsoft certification examination, you'll make an electronic badge, which you can share on the internet with your specialist network. Significance of Microsoft Certification Certificate in 2022. Microsoft 365 certification supplies employees exuding with confidence as well as productivity. Having a sound understanding of core concepts enables them to make the optimum utilization of technology for the company. They become more efficient at providing efficient services which conserve time and also remove threats. Microsoft accreditation benefits. Microsoft uses special benefits and also occupation tools for Microsoft Qualified Specialists, MCPs, too. Once you obtain your qualification, Microsoft gives a certification manager view, qualification logos, and also even MCP store purchase apparel as well as accessories with certification logos. The MCP community likewise allows you to make connections with your others via the Born to Learn blog. Member sources additionally consist of work opportunities and even more. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for a Microsoft 365 certification in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Microsoft certification exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. This exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Microsoft certification training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/